Do you have a matrixed organization with resources from all over the company contributing to particular strategies or deliverables or programs? Maybe you sit in meetings sometimes and you think, I can't believe we're having this same conversation again and again and again, and nobody's taking action on it. Or perhaps your company or your team are challenged to do something really incredible in terms of shifting how you work together. Maybe you're introducing a new product, going into a new market, or changing how you sell or how you resource, what your supply chain looks like, whatever those kinds of transformations are. The Align for Action program can help you to come together to deliver on whatever that challenge might be. In the Align for Action program, we'll take you through 6 really important conversations about how to work together, how to lead together to make something happen for you and your organization. We're really excited to be able to bring this out to the market because we know that making how matter is the missing piece in many organizations. People know why they do what they do and they know what they're doing, but how to do it together is actually the secret sauce for accelerating transformation, for meeting ambitious goals, for succeeding with your strategy. We'd love to talk to you about bringing the power of how to your team or to your organization through the Align for Action program. Give us a shout, and we'd be glad to talk about what challenges you've got.